given cards to a Descant Recorder. Remember, this is a wind instrument, so you must prepare your breath. You'll be holding the Descant Recorder for a long time, so again you must flex your finger muscles. Okay? So the first practice we do is with our hands. So we fold our hands like that. Then we stretch our fingers out. Okay? Yes. So we are holding our hands like that. So then you turn your hands facing forward. So we are going to stretch our hands like this. Then we are going to stretch our fingers. Okay? So let's go back. We are here. We are holding our fist. Stretch your hand forward. With your fist still closed. Open your fingers. Stretch them. Are we there? So we want to practice the shooting stars. Pardon me. So look at me. We are going to do like this. 1, 2. Step by step. Don't be in a hurry. So 1, 2. We do that 5 times. Okay. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can feel something, 5. At least you want your hands to be flexible in your fingers, So now we are doing it facing downwards. So we are going down. So we are going to do. We are still here. Look at me. We are still here, but now we take it downwards and we open up the fingers. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sideways. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So relax, relax. So when you do that, your hands, you should do that 2, 3, 4 times so that your hands can be flexible in your fingers. So that is your hand. Remember, you'll be holding your Descant Recorder for a long time. The second most important step is holding enough breath. Holding enough breath to be able to play a complete tune without gasping for air as you are playing the Descant Recorder. So the second step now is we are going to imagine we have a balloon and we are blowing air into the balloon. Okay? So the longer you blow air into it and the wider your balloon becomes, it means you are holding enough breath. Are we together? So that's all. We have our inflated balloon. It is there. It doesn't have air, so we want to blow air into it. So I want you to first look at me. I have my inflated balloon, so I want to blow air into it. And again, I want you to look at the shape of my lips. In music, we call that embosture. Can you say embosture? Embosture. The way you position your lips when you're playing the Descant Recorder, you position it there. So your lips should be that way. Are we together? So we have our imaginary balloon here. It is inflated. I want to blow air into it. So look at me. So I want to make it bigger and wider as I can. And I'm holding my breath. So here I go. Breathe out. So you should take in enough air to blow up your balloon. Are you together? So breathe in. Out. In. Out. I hold the imaginary balloon there. So don't breathe out until we complete our balloon. Don't go before me or come after me. We go together. So 1, 2, 3, let's go. Don't be in a hurry, Waidera. Take it easy. Take it easy. There. Breathe out. Very good. Applaud for yourself. So when you practice that 2 or 3 times, you will have enough breath to play a complete tune. Are we together? Yes. And the first tune we said we are going to play is Mary Had a Little Lamb. So we are going to play, we practice on the keys, then we are going to play the tune, and I'm sure most of you are going to be able to do it. Now we go to steps of play of preparing to play the Descant Recorder. We have 7 steps, and we are going to go through each one of them. Step 1 is you remove your Descant Recorder from the case. Once you remove it, step 2 place your Descant Recorder down, maybe on the table or the desk you are using, with this part facing you. Oh, this one was for Chege. Chege, have yours? Let me use mine. Let me use mine so that when you are also demonstrating, you'll be able to use yours. So step number 2, we said you place your Descant Recorder on the table or on your desk with the mouth part facing upwards. And why are we doing that? So that it will be easy for us to pick it up. Okay? Don't place it facing downwards like this. Are we together? Yes. So place it facing that way. That is step number 2. Step number 3, pick it up. So don't be in a hurry when you are playing the Descant Recorder. You are not in a hurry, Go step by step. Even as you are going step by, you are building your confidence. So step by step 3, you have picked your Descant Recorder. Step number 4, check your Descant Recorder whether the pitch holes are in the right position. To ensure the pitch holes are in order, then you make sure the thumb hole is facing you together with the mouthpiece. Then the fingering, all the other 7, they should face the audience. Can you see? Yes. So the thumb hole and the mouth hole should face you, but all the other 7 should face the audience. Are we together? So that is step number 4. We have checked, we have ensured that our Descant Recorder is in the right position. Number 5, we have ensure your left hand is up and your right hand is down. Are we together? That is the most important step when you are playing a Descant Recorder. Most of you are right-handed, so you will find you are holding it right hand up, left hand down. That one is wrong. Always make sure it is the left hand which is up, the right hand is down. And as you are holding your Descant Recorder, don't hold it like this. My left hand is up, my right hand is down, but there is something wrong. Who can tell me what is wrong? Yes, Kagawa? Yes, look at me. I have covered some of the pitch holes, though my left hand is up. Are we together? So you should make sure your left hand is holding at the joint. Your right hand down here at the foot joint is holding below there. It is not covering any pitch hole. Make sure you are not covering any pitch hole. That is step number 5. Then step number 6 now, bring your Descant Recorder close to your lips. Then now, step number 7, you play the tune or the keys that you have been told to play. Are we together? So let me see whether we can remember. So at this point, I want you to take out your Descant Recorder too. Take out your Descant Recorders. Take out your Descant Recorders. Take out your Descant Recorders. Does everybody have? Yes. Let me see. Raise it up. Raise it up. Raise it up. Raise it up. Very good. Clap for yourself. You came with the Descant Recorder. Very good. So I want somebody to demonstrate for us step number 1. All the steps, I can see whether you can remember. But first of all, let us do it all of us. So step number 1. What do you do? Somebody to tell us, then you do it. Yes, come on. Step number 1. From the case. And I can see some of you don't have your cases. So assume you have a case. Remove the Descant Recorder, come out. You don't have a case. Assume you have one. Let me see you removing it. Let's go. Step number 1. Very good. You have removed from the case. Step number 2. Yes, Karani. Yes, place it on the desk. Remember we said the mouthpiece should face upwards. So position it on your desk comfortably. I don't want yours to fall. Make sure it is positioned correctly. Make sure it is positioned correctly. Make sure it is positioned correctly. Let's see. Very good. Very good. Very good. Good. Step number 3. Step number 3, Miriam, what do we do? It is already on the desk. Step number 3. You pick it up. 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 Very good. Step number 4. Yes, Charlene?
Check if the parts of this they are good.
Now check whether the pitch holes are in the correct position. I want to see you checking. And how do you ensure they're in the correct position? We have said the mouthpiece and the thumb hole should face you. All the other 7 pitches should face the audience. So that is how you confirm it is in the right confirm? Have you confirmed?
Yes.
That is step number 4. Very good. Step number 5. What did you say? Step number 5. Somebody? Yes, Adoro?
You put your Descant you hold your Descant recorder with your left hand up and your right hand down.
Good. Let me see you do that. Left hand up, right hand down. Making sure you are not covering any pinch holes. Make sure you are not covering any pinch holes. Very good, very good, very good, very good. That is step number 5. Step number 6, what did we say? Yes, Hilda? Yes, position your Descant recorder close to your lips. Close, not inside your lips. Close to your lips. Very good. Step number 7. Finally, step number 7, what should you do? Waidera? Step number 7. Hannah? Very good. Now you are ready to play the keys taught by the teacher. Very good. A clap for yourself. A clap for yourself. I'm not happy to know the steps. So now I want us to start. I say step 1, 2, 3, all the way to 7 without saying anything. So return, if it is in the case returning, then we go, because that is what you'll be doing. Because the next lesson now, we are going to learn to play the 5 simple keys. Key B, key A, key G, C sharp and D sharp. Those are the first 5 keys. You should know how to do it. So are you ready?
Yes.
Step number 1. Step number 2. Step number 3. Step number 4. Step number 5. Step number 5 is the most important step. Step number 5 is the most important step. Very good. Step number 6. Step number 6. Let me see. Step number 6. Let me see. Make sure you are not covering any pinch hole. Step number 7. You are now ready to play. Very good. Very good. So return your Descant recorder inside the case, inside your desks. Return them. So now what I want us to do, we want to make some very short notes concerning the Descant recorder and the steps. Okay? Yeah. Then from there, the next lesson, we are going to know how to play the 5 basic keys. Are we together?
Yes.
Thank you very much. Let us write.